What's the meaning of cubicle? Cubicle. Cubicle.
Cubicle. Cubicle. A cubicle is a small, enclosed workspace that is typically found in office environments. It is often comprised of walls and partitions, and sometimes comes equipped with a desk, chair, and storage space. Cubicles are designed to provide employees with a degree of privacy and separation from their coworkers, while still maintaining a sense of openness and collaboration within the workplace. They can be useful for creating a more organized and efficient work environment, but can also be seen as impersonal and isolating.